Etsy branding. Now, with e-commerce being the heart of many online side hustles, this one isn't as common as other e-com side hustles like dropshipping or print on demand. Etsy branding is the idea of approaching sellers on Etsy that are selling products that have a lot of potential, but they don't have other platforms besides Etsy or maybe eBay. So you could approach these sellers and negotiate royalties or even part of their business in exchange for teaming up with that seller to create things like a website, better branding, marketing copy, ads, or fix issues as they arise. You'd basically be offering to help take their business to the next level. And some sellers on Etsy are very creative, but they don't want to deal with the business end, so it can pair very well and be a good partnership. This is a similar model to dropshipping in that you're searching for a winning product to brand and market, although with dropshipping, anyone can sell those products, so a specific product can be oversaturated very easily. Now, Etsy is a goldmine of products that aren't being sold anywhere else, especially if they're custom or handmade products. This is kind of like building a marketing agency around successful products. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this content, make sure you subscribe to the main channel as well right here.